Today we're going to discuss how we can set our GoPro Hero8 Black to the best possible way to get a better quality video. This is really helpful to those who don't want to do any post-production. You can use this video straight out of the camera. Now I have been using this particular GoPro Hero8 Black for last 6 months. Let's get into the video. So once you turn on your GoPro, it will appear like this. As you go to the right, you got the photo mode, and then towards the left is the video. One more swipe is a time lapse. So we're going to stick to the video mode in the middle, and then you get the standard. Click on the standard. You can actually go ahead, there is a few settings already like a preset, so you can go into the pen button on the right side and you can go in and edit these settings. What we're going to do today, we're going to go to standard mode and click on the pen button, and then we're going to set it here. All these settings will go through and make it best settings you can get out of the GoPro Hero8 Black. Now the first one is the quality, it's the frame rate and the picture quality. You can either go to 4K or you can keep it in 2.7K, but I would prefer 4K. So go to 4K. It takes a lot of memory out of your card, but still you get a best quality out of 4K. Post-production, you got that bit of a room to play around with. Either stick to 4K or 2.7K, but I'm going to go to 4K. And the frame rate, you can either shoot it on 24, which is a normal cinema look. If you want to slow down your footage on post-production, go to 60p frames per second. So which then, if you want to slow down your videos, like you want to show a slow motion video, then this will be the ideal settings. I usually tend to go to 4K 60 frames per second. So that's the quality and the frame rate. Now go back, and then the lens. Now if you want to have a fisheye effect, and if you want the wide, then it's a wide lens 16 to 34 mm. And if you want a super view, which is got the fisheye effect, and I do just go for linear. It's a normal looking, it's got no fisheye effects and stuff, so linear is the best. Now hyper smooth, now keep your hyper smooth on high, and then low light is basically, I don't shoot in low light, so it's not quite applicable. Clips is off. Here is the Pro Tune. Now the bit rate, you need to keep it on high, and the shutter, set the shutter as auto, just keep it as auto. The exposure, EV compositions, now this on default it's set to 0, but I do tend to keep it on minus 0.5. Now if you are going in a bright sunlight, you might be a bit overexposed, but keep it on minus 0.5, which we can tweak a bit. And then the white balance, now the white balance, keep it on 5500K on the white balance. ISO, keep the minimum value of ISO on 100. Maximum you set to 1600. Now you can go up 30 to 100, which is okay, but I would get the best quality, keep it on 1600. And the sharpness, keep it on medium. If you keep it on high, the video looks artificial. Keep it on medium and just leave it like that. Now the color, if you don't want to color correct in post-production, keep it on GoPro. Turn the raw audio off. So raw audio is off. If you are using the GoPro onboard mic, keep the wind reduction auto. If you are using an external mic like a Rode Video Micro or a Rode Wireless Go, then keep the wind reduction off. So I'll keep it on auto for now. So there you are. So that's the best settings you can have to get a better video out of a GoPro Hero8 Black. So I hope this is helpful for someone. If you like this sort of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.